Fresh and familiar faces have been tagged to head or retain their designated committee chairs in the House. And as our Mela Lesmoras reports, their actions moving forward will be under the guidance and certain pronouncements of the President in last week's State of the Nation that still resonates loud and clearly, especially on good governance and accountability.
The new head of the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges, 4Peace Party List Representative J.C. Abalos, assured that they will not ignore the issue involving AGA Party List Representative Nicanor Briones. Briones is the representative who's seen watching a cockfight while the House was in session on July 28, although he had previously clarified that he is not a cockfighting enthusiast and that someone merely sent him the video.
Kung may pagkakamali po, meron po tayong tamang paraan ng pagwawasto. I would like to let everyone know na hindi po natin pinabaliwala o babaliwalain ang insidenteng ito. Asahan niyo po na tutuparin ng Committee on Ethics ang aming tungkulin.
In response, Briones said he's willing to face the ethics panel if he is summoned. However, he declined to comment on reports that the issue may have already affected his potential inclusion in the Commission on Appointments.
Ano man ang kanilang gusto ay pinaubaya ko nasa Diyos na ang kapalaran natin. Kung sa tingin nila ay dapat imbestigahan, harap tayo doon dahil wala naman tayong tinatago. Malinis konsensya natin.
Meanwhile, Pasig Representative Roman Romulo, who has retained his position as chairperson of the House Committee on Basic Education and Culture, is now focused on various education-related issues in the country. He believes that the welfare of students and teachers can be further improved, especially since the education sector was among the key priorities highlighted by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in his recent State of the Nation address.
Yung pag-focus sa function literacy, makikita po natin magbubunga po ito ng improved results natin sa education system. We will turn a corner soon and makikita po natin magkakaroon ng improvements.
Meanwhile, House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability Chair Joel Chua, who also held the same position during the 19th Congress, also committed to work even harder. He said the President's recent pronouncements during his fourth SONA will be their guide, specifically on the aspects of accountability and corruption. In a separate statement, Public Order and Safety Chair Rolando Valeriano also assured an all-out war against organized crime, illegal gambling, and drug trafficking. Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.